What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now in this one, I want to talk about a project that I have mentioned a couple of times on this channel. One when it was in pre-sale, another time when it was in pre-sale, right? Obviously when the pre-sale ended and all the hype that it received, all the conversations and everything that was going around it, and also just the interest that I have for what it is, right? I talked about it after the fact, or sorry, before, after the launch. And then obviously, when we saw a little bit of an update, now we have another update that I want to bring to you guys, as well as a new trailer for the project. So Peekamoon has definitely piqued my interest, right? Because you look at the concept of what it is, and it really hovers around the battle scene, right? And being able to have different types of battlers and NFTs and the connection with all of that finds a way to drive value for each person that's holding different things, whether it's the token, the NFT, the game, staking, many different things that it offers. And it makes me very interested in a project like that, right? And usually I try to invest into things that I would typically use or that I feel as though would provide me some value, as well as you guys doing the same thing that can provide you some value, but also has that growth potential, right? So again, in this video, I want to talk about Peekamoon, and I want to go through the trailer and go through some other stuff. So if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links for Peekamoon, I will provide those down in the description. Don't forget about any other links that I have down there for, me to, an affiliate link or whatever down below. Feel free to check those out. But let's talk about Peekamoon. I think we need to start at a place to where we, not only understand what it is, but we also want to go through maybe a little bit of a visual of what we have there. So let's start out with the website, which you have Peekamoon. It's now trading on MEXC, BitGet, UniSwap, Bitmart, and this is the fastest growing GameFi token in the industry. Now, different things that you have to offer. I've gone over this. I won't go over it in detail, but you have an NFT play to earn. You have, the Pikaverse. You have rewards that you can gain with PIKA as well. And they have their brand new trailer. And this is something that I wanted to do. I wanted to go over this or just watch it with you guys as, you can see what it's all about. It's 1 minute and 32 seconds. So just to see what it's all about. So I think that looks pretty cool. I think that looks really, really cool because honestly, I'm into games like that, right? You think of like a Pokemon or a Pow World and how that can all be implemented, and you can find a way to implement that within crypto. We've always tried to find a way to have a big like top tier game that can find its way into the crypto space and have a relevant use within that space as well. So it's something that really catches my or piques my interest because I want to see it succeed as most as possible. I want to see more exchanges. I want to see more adoption and more use that could come with it. And that's something, again, that sits with me in a completely different spot than what I have in a lot of other projects that I'm holding. But if we wanted to give out some news and some things that are happening, obviously you have the trailer that we just brought up. You do have the ability to stake as well. So if you're interested in staking, which right now staking stands at about 20% APY. So if you wanted to link your wallet, again, I'm on a different browser. That's typically where I go through, but I'm on a different browser and I don't have mine linked at the moment. But if you link it and you stake it, you can stake for 20% at the time of recording this video, which is 11:20 a.m. So we'll see, obviously, as you go along and what the percentages are as you go on to different days and stuff like that. But if we also wanted to give you an update on exactly where Peekamoon is, right? Peekamoon stands at a $17.3 million market cap. So it is not no scrub, right? It's something that has millions of dollars in a market cap size. You are looking at a volume that we would like to see a lot more of, but they do have more exchanges that are coming, and you already have currently some good exchanges as well in MEXC and BitGet and others. And you'll start to see a lot more volume as you get more that goes into the market. Like if you look at the entire market, it's down by 20.1% in volume. So obviously you're going to see a drop in volume in absolutely everything, and some plays like this. But MEXC, BitGet, BingX, Bitmart, so you have different pairings that you can trade and different platforms that you can trade this on with more exchanges to come. So this means a lot more volume. So it's something that gets me excited, right? If we look at the last 7 days, it is down by 9%. The last month, we're seeing 33%. We see, so it's honestly in a good spot because you saw a lot of altcoins that have come back, and we still haven't seen altcoin season. So with altcoin season, honestly, in my opinion, when I go through a lot of plays that I'm talking about, I believe all altcoins will find a way to run within altcoin season because it's about throwing money into places that that can see that massive potential, right? Bitcoin already has this large amount of growth. We'll see more growth from there. Ethereum already had a large amount of growth, but then when you see more money that's flowing into things like Ethereum or flowing things into like XRP or BNB or Peekamoon, you then see the potential of where this can go. You can see the fact that this can be worth for you a 10x, and then you can see a 20x, and honestly the road doesn't stop there. So I don't know what you guys think about it. I'm always interested to know what you think about the plays that I bring across the table. I've talked about this. This is like, I think, the 5th time talking about Peekamoon because Peekamoon just reminds me of a game that I loved as a child, a game that I can honestly still play today, which is Pokemon, and a game that I've been playing recently, which is Power World. So if I can combine like those two type of games with cryptocurrency in a way, I feel like it's a no-brainer. I feel like it's a win-win in that situation. So what I want to do, I want you guys to go and check out the links down below for Peekamoon, and see if you like it. They have a bunch of different links. We'll have the website, the Twitter account, just everything that you need down there to do your own research. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. Just because I'm a big fan of something doesn't mean that you have to be the biggest fan of it. But what I want is to open eyeballs and grab attention. And if you guys are interested in this play or have any type of interest in this play, do the research to line up how much you're going to put into it, if anything, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of the videos. Make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel as well as the link for Peekamoon. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.